Hi, my name is Thomas Elliott. I'm a filmmaker from Melbourne, and this is the first project that I've shot on the new Sony FX30. My new short film Big Rig follows a truck driver coming to terms with the death of his best friend, and how he handles that grief in a hyper-masculine environment. We only had 2 days to shoot this project with a small crew and multiple locations around country Victoria. Shooting on the FX30 allowed us to move fast without compromising the shot. Even with a DIY approach to this project, we were still able to achieve some really cinematic results, especially in low light environments. With a similar form factor to the FX3, the FX30 features a new Super 35 6K sensor, downsampled to 4K, meaning you get a ton of detail in the image without giant file sizes. And you can also make use of Sony's range of smaller APS-C lenses for more compact shooting. We encountered some pretty difficult weather conditions throughout the shoot, and the camera didn't skip a beat. Like the FX3 before it, the FX30 has a tough cageless design, meaning you can pretty much mount it anywhere. If you're a handheld shooter like myself, you can take full advantage of the Catalyst Browse software that utilizes the gyroscopic metadata captured in camera to apply stabilization in post. As I was preparing for this project, I was lucky enough to work with colorist Daniel Party, who helped create some LUTs based on the mood board for the film, pulling references from movies such as No Country for Old Men, Paris, Texas, and Nomadland. The LUTs are easily imported to the FX30, allowing you to get even closer to the final image in camera. Thank you Sony for letting me test this camera in my film, and I'm excited to see what other people create with this new addition to Sony's cinema line. Thanks for watching.